Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I want to talk to you about XRP. We're doing a little update on the old Ripple here, and we are going to be going through this from a technical analysis perspective, looking at key factors like the market cap, the volume traded over the last day, and also some key price points, looking at the chart in a very detailed aspect, and also some price targets for the next 6 to 12 months or so. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video, guys. Not going to keep you guys too long here, but if you could, drop a little thumbs up, does help us out. And starting off with the market cap for XRP today, that is currently sat at around $30.4 billion. Okay, so pretty big up there in terms of the crypto race right now. We are seeing us number 7th here in terms of the cryptocurrency race on CMC. And you can see in terms of daily traded volume here, the last 24 hours here, guys, you can see this is actually up 34%. Okay, so for this to be up 34% is actually quite a bullish sign, considering yesterday was Monday and we are into Tuesday now. Usually we do see a spike in the volume on the Monday rather than the Tuesday, just due to the weekend being quite sideways and flaccid and not that much volume coming through, right? So usually we see a spike, but to have a 34% spike on a Tuesday is super bullish for this asset, okay? And that does put XRP in 8th place in terms of the volume that has been traded over the last 24 hours, which again, super bullish, okay? $821 million. Now, one thing that I do want to just touch on quickly, guys, is the total supply in reference to the circulating supply. So you can see actually this is a slightly bearish statistics, okay? Because the total supply is roughly around, what, 100 billion, okay? But the actual circulating supply, that is the supply that is actually out on the market that is available to purchase at this time, is actually only 56 billion, right? So that leaves quite a lot of cheddar on the table, okay? And essentially what that does, that near enough doubles the fully diluted market cap here. Now what this means is, from a developer standpoint, from a project owner standpoint, from a Ripple perspective, because obviously Ripple owns XRP, they currently own and have access to, what, 44% of the supply that is not in circulation. Now roughly that is billions and billions and billions of dollars, right? Having the fully diluted market cap at 54 billion compared to a 30 billion. Now, why is this interesting? Why is this valid? This is interesting and valid because the more circulating supply that they distribute out into the market, the unfortunate thing will happen. There will be, essentially, it's like inflation, right? The more supply that gets distributed out, the less the live tokens are currently going to be worth, because supply and demand scenario here, there's going to be more supply, right? So that means that the demand is going to be less. So essentially, this is definitely something that we need to be looking out for here over the next sort of well, it depends on market conditions. If we see a very amazing alt season coming through, then it's very likely that then that XRP are not going to be distributing out any more tokens. But if they need to cash in a bit of money here for Ripple, then it's very likely that they will be basically cashing in some of the uncirculated supply and putting it out onto the market, essentially affecting the price, right? So is this something to really be that worried about? Not really, okay? It's something that is just something I did want to highlight, because essentially it's nearly half of the supply, right? And we know XRP is built for the banks, essentially. Yeah, it's built for the banks, and a lot of banks actually currently use this, but yeah, it's a slight concern to me having that much circulating supply not currently in the market. But hey, there might be other reasons for that. If you know reasons for that, guys, let me know in the comment section. I'm intrigued to learn more about XRP. Now, moving over to the chart aspect of XRP, because this is where it gets fun. This is where it gets interesting. This is where we make the money. Okay, let's get into this. So you can see right now priced at 54 cents. And the first thing that is catching my eye is obviously this lovely trend line coming up like so here on the daily. This is the macro, guys. And you can see this lovely little green line here, this volume weighted ATR band on the 4 hour. This essentially is the volume weighted average true range on the 4 hour time frame. You can see how reactive here we are in terms of support. for this level. Okay, super reactive here, and just overall, guys, not every time, but overall, the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band can be a quite a nice indicator for lovely bounces. Okay, now why is that important to us now? It's important to us right now, and I'm highlighting that as a figure to show you guys today, is because if you look at the current price of XRP, if you look at the current direction and the status here of XRP, we're actually sat directly, well, we just were, on this 4-hour volume weighted ATR band. So this indicates more bullish momentum to the upside following this this previous lovely pump. Now, how high is the question? How high is a good question, because obviously we do have Fibonacci coming through, and that is the 0.832. If I can show you that on the screen, if I can get rid of this box or something. Yeah, there we go. The 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, and that is the Fibonacci retracement for that is worked out from this current bull market high, guys. Oh, sorry, no, last bull market high to the bear market low. Okay, so previous bull market high to bear market low, and that is going to be the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement area. This is macro, guys. This is big. This is the weekly. This is a very reactive point here for XRP. And if we do see the chart and we do see the price of XRP actually creep its way back up to this level, which will be, it's not going to be a small move, guys, probably like 10-12% or so. Let's have a little look. Yeah, 10.24%. If it does creep up to this area, then just expect a pullback, in my opinion, right? Obviously, you can see we have had resistance here previously multiple times. Yes, sometimes we have cleared it and we have seen a very nice a bit of momentum to the upside, but you can see the reactive resistance always comes into fruition along this area. Okay, so we're going to be using that as any sort of confluence or confluence for us to be looking out for there. Then this is the point that I would really be looking for. Okay, now what am I saying? I'm saying here there is a short position on the table. The short position I would be referring to would be probably a 1-to-1, maybe a 0.5-to-1 risk reward scenario there. I'd like to go as high as the previous wick here, and yeah, probably around a 1-to-1 there, and then use the Fibonacci 0.382 as that entrance point there, and we are shorting the market, looking for this lovely move to the downside worth around 10%. Okay, probably not actually 10%. Let me rephrase that. We're probably just going to be going for very simple, very predictable levels of support here. And as you know how we trade here on Crypto News, we like to stagger our take profits throughout this throughout our position. Okay, so that's sort of what I will be looking out for here for XRP over the next sort of couple of weeks or so, obviously depending on market conditions. And hey, if we don't get this scenario coming through and the entry for this doesn't look good, then hey, you know what we're going to do? We're going to sit back, we're going to wait, we're going to be patient, and we're going to be looking for the next big breakout, the next big macro breakout. You can see on my chart, guys, worth 24.11%. It is a falling wedge chart pattern. Falling wedges tend to usually break to the upside, and you can see we staggered our TPs all the way up. Those are the prices on the right. If you want to copy that, you can. Obviously, do your own research. It's not financial advice. But yeah, that is going to be it for the XRP update. If you are looking for a project to get your hands stuck into, and you're looking for a lovely juicy pre-sale that has just raised $12.6 million, and it's called Pepe. Pepe is now going to launch its own blockchain where meme coins can actually build on that blockchain. Super bullish. Essentially like base chain. It's a layer 2 base protocol on Ethereum that is called Pepe Unchained Layer 2. If you want to get involved with that, guys, or you want to check it out and look at some more details, you can. All the links will be in the description for that project. Full disclosure, I am invested in this project. I bought into the pre-sale. It's $12.6 million in this pre-sale. This is not going to last forever. It's a super early alpha entry. If you do want to get involved, Ethereum, USDT, card, or BNB. Let me know in the comment section if you do, because I'm intrigued, because I got big bucks on this bad boy. Looking for around 100x on this. What's more bullish than Pepe having its own blockchain, right? You tell me. Drop a like on the video if you could. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, notification bell on. You're never going to miss one of our uploads. But that is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.